Welcome to 145th Street on the IRT Lenox line. This station, served by the number 3 train, is the only station in the New York City subway where passengers can enter and exit through only the first 5 cars. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. The 145th Street station on the IRT Lenox Avenue line is located at the intersection of West 145th Street and Malcolm X Boulevard. The station, along with the rest of the IRT Lenox Avenue line, well, not 148th Street, was opened on November 23, 1904, a little less than a month after the opening of the original subway. When opened, it was one of the 2 northern termini for IRT trains. The other was 145th Street on the IRT 7th Avenue line. When the station was first opened, it was served by local and express trains, with locals originating at City Hall and expresses at either South Ferry or Atlantic Avenue. Express service, though, was short-lived, as service to 145th Street was eliminated in 1906. Service pretty much stayed the same until 1918, when the 7th Avenue line south of Times Square opened and local trains were sent to South Ferry. In 1948, when the R12, the IRT's first fleet with numbered roll signs, were introduced, the route to 145th Street became known as the 3, and in 1959, all 3 trains became express, as it is in current times. In the 1960s, during the construction of the Harlem 148th Street station, which was actually the last Mystical Station video, 145th Street was planned to be closed because of the proximity between it and the new replacement station. These plans, however, were met with community opposition, with many claiming the walk would be too long. I agree with these claims, and I enjoy having both the 145th and 148th Street stations, unlike some people who propose abandoning them to fit their de-interlining plans. In the mid-2000s, the station was added to the National Register of Historic Places because of its importance as one of the first IRT stations to be built. In 2018, the station underwent a complete overhaul as part of the MTA's Enhanced Station Initiative. This overhaul saw the station gain cellular service, LCD screens, and newly designed barriers. This station is very unique, with it currently being the only station in the system that can only fit 5 cars. Well, technically it can fit 6.5 cars in the platform, but only the doors in the first 5 cars open here, as conductors can only control 2 zones throughout the train. The first zone consists of cars 1 through 5, and the second consists of cars 6 through 10. While all the other IRT stations were lengthened to fit 10-car trains, not counting South Ferry or the other abandoned stations, this station wasn't. This is mainly due to its proximity to the 142nd Street junction and the junction just outside of the 148th Street station. This station also doesn't see enough ridership to warrant an extension of the platforms, so I wouldn't expect anything to change with them anytime soon. Growing up in this area, I have a special relationship with this station. I recall one memory as a child where I was in one of the last 5 cars, and I thought the train had completely skipped the station. Knowing how useful this and the 148th Street station just a few blocks away are for the community, I don't want to see them go, not even if it allows the 3 train to run into the Bronx.